Another Saturday, another birthday party.
And then somebody rang the doors. Right now, so we got a package. Y'all, it's got the lines on.
Like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.
And music. Oh, let me pull y'all up. Hey guys. Hey. Good morning. Happy Thursday, you guys. I woke up not feeling my best. Okay, not feeling my best. But as the day has went on, I am feeling good. You guys, look, we just got a PR box. Okay, I'm super excited. I was just in the kitchen getting ready to make myself a little breakfast, a little bacon, a little egg. And then somebody rang the doors. Right now, so we got a package. So let's go ahead and open it up, which I've already started doing. Let's see what it is. Glow up bundle. Nice. So these are some glow up pads. Okay, so first of all, it looks like it is a whole skincare situation. I'm so excited. From this company called Sugar Baby. OMG. Oh, look at the goodies. So excited. Okay, this right here is brightening and facial cleanser, which is good because I was just running low on my bliss. Okay, so this coming through is great. I love skincare. You guys have no idea. Okay, glowing bubble mask. Period. I'm with it. Whatever that is. I'm excited, y'all. You're gonna have to try this. And then, okay, Ready Set Glow Up pads. So I guess this is like toner. That's what it's saying. I am so excited. Thank you so much, Sugar Baby, for sending this over. Oh yeah, this feels okay. Retro vitamin C. With that being said, we are gonna use them. That is exciting, you guys. Look at us. Anyways, let me go ahead and get cooking. I probably won't cook with you guys because y'all are about to die. I literally got 1 bar, but I will charge you guys. Check in with y'all after I'm done eating because, yeah.
This is how we do it. 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 Sha-la-la-la-la. This is how we do it. Sha-la-la-la-la. This is how we do it. La-la-la-la. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's Friday night. I feel alright. The party's here on the west side. So I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. Designated driver, take the keys to my truck. Hit the shop cause I'm faded. Honey's in the streets, say money, oh we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight. The summertime skirts and the guys ain't can lie. All the gangbangers, we got about to drive by. You gotta get your groove on before you go get paid. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm trying to bust and it's all because this is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school back. This is how we do it. I'm trying to bust, it's all because this is how we do it. Ooh, South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors.
Dynasty friend attack me. Security no better to pat me.
No, I was gonna either hot me. All right, let me fix your hair before we go in. So get out of the car and come over here. Hey guys, another Saturday, another birthday party. We are here at one of Kai's friends' birthday party. She's having a birthday party here at Starlight. It's a skating, laser tag, arcade, playground type of thing for the kids. So this is super exciting. Get out of the car and come on. Ooh, hey, don't hit these people's car. Sorry, they just got fresh haircuts and everything. Life of a mom. Huh? I don't know what's going on, Kai. See what's going on.
Do you get it from the back? I will.
Alright, let's go in here.
See the stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you. You saw me dreaming about then. I had a hard time channeling that out, finding the solution for my insecurity. If it's not meant for me, it's not my responsibility. Was looking for love, but found my own tranquility. Paranoid no more, I got my own stability. See the stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for lifetime, it's not enough for me to be like.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. I'm trying to see what all I need for the week, but I don't even have my meals planned for real. Sorry y'all, it's dark, but we are headed out to go to the grocery store real quick because y'all, I still haven't cooked dinner, so we need to get everything that we need for dinner. I'm thinking salmon, mac and cheese, and salad. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, that is what is about to go down. Y'all, the birthday party yesterday was so cute, so fun. Your girl was out there skating, the kids were skating. Y'all, it was a good time. I like birthday parties, okay? I like to have a good time, especially with my kids, you know, like that's real nice. So, but anyways, let me stop yapping. Let's head to this grocery store and yeah, get what we need so we can get in and get out. You know, they be having these veggie things that I really be liking. Let me see if I can find them. Ooh, oh, sorry. It's okay. I just need to get right there with these little. These are so good. Any strawberries? Let's get this salmon. Oh my gosh, y'all! Look at these salmon bowls. What? That looks so long. What are these? A nice little Pokeball California wrap. Country Road Dragon. Shrimp tempura. Let's finish getting through the store. We need to grab some cheeses. You are the one and only one. Alright, we'll just go with what we have and won't let that be it.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me.
Added that butter in there. What y'all know? What y'all know about that cargo? Huh? That cargo. Got everything looking good, y'all. Oh, ain't no air fryer over here. I mean, like, there is, but still, okay? Still. Now I'm just being extra because I want y'all to see my nails.
But let's try a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so good. So good. Let me show y'all how to sing on this again. Y'all, it's got the lines on it. Big D did a big one. Ooh, so good. Clearly, I am so proud of my cooking skills because I could not stop showing y'all. So good. Alright, let me finish cooking and I'm going to show y'all the meal once we're done. We only got about 2 hours left. So, I want y'all to see the food. I want y'all to see the finished product. So, yeah. I'll see you in a minute. Got the salmon bites, the veggies, the mac and cheese. Yeah. Y'all see it? Check it out. So delicious.